How to make dual app on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to make dual app on Android. Without further ado, let's get started. In order to make dual app or use dual apps, you need to head towards settings. But before that, you need to look for the app for which you want to make the dual application of. Now you need to tap search bar on your settings. Here you can type in app cloner or dual application depending upon your Android device. As you can see on my Android phone, app cloner has appeared. It might be dual app on your device as well. Open it. Here you will see all the recommended and other app on Android. For example, if I wish Instagram to have app cloner or dual application, you need to select Instagram and then turn on the button for create app clone. But right now, I do not have storage of more than 5%, so that's why I'm not being able to turn on these features. But if you have, then you can easily toggle on the button for create app clone and make dual apps on Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.